Super Sports here with Sir Tiga Davis, playoff match against Harbourview. You went down 1-0, a penalty. I could see the problem watching the game. You know, defenders weren't really at their top of the game today. Sum up the game for us.
You know, we made some silly errors in terms of giving the ball too easily. It's probably our central defenders, you know. Attacking the ball real slow, passing the ball to our midfielder striker and still giving away, you know. I think we were very, very slow in the first half. But again, it's a game of 2 halves, you know. I think second half we came out and showed what we could do. People saying Cephas missing and things. Yes, he's missing, but I think this team, without Cephas, they still can go all the way.
I believe so too. You have some quite young, talented youngsters who came on and really stepped up the tempo in the midfield.
And that's what we need, you know. And these are young, bright talent, you know. You know, just finished Dakasaka from Dintil. Marlon Allen, I have to give him credit, you know. First year in the Premier League, you know. It's amazing. Yeah, you know, nobody knows this kid, and you know he's making a name for himself, and I'm proud of him.
Thank you very much to Sir Tiga Davis, and I hope you get it right for the next game.
Yeah, man, thanks. And again, crime and violence
must stop.
Must stop.